Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to unarchive post on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to unarchive post on Instagram, first open up your Instagram app, and over here guys at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see your profile picture icon on a small circle. Tap on over there, and over here guys at the top right corner of your screen you can see the three lined icons. Tap on over there, and over here you can see the archive option available just below the saved. Tap on archive, and over here you will find all of your archive posts. You can see we are on the post archive at the top of the screen. If you tap on over there, you will be able to also find your stories archive and your live archive. Since we are going to unarchive a post, we won't be doing that to stories or live. So let's go back, and in order to unarchive the post, tap and open it. And again on this section at the top right corner of that post, there's a three dotted icon over there. Tap on it, and it says show on profile and delete. Tap on the show on profile, and again tap on show on profile, and let's refresh this, and let's close the Instagram app, and let's open it again. By doing that guys, your post will be unarchived on Instagram, and that will be available on Instagram again. You can see, let's go back to the archive, that a post is not available over here and has been unarchived on our Instagram profile. And guys, this is how to unarchive a post on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.